This is the third outfit I've tried. I'm just gonna go with it. Hey guys! Welcome to 2013. Whoa! Ever have one of these kind of days?
Everyone is more talented than me. Everyone is more clever than me. Everyone is happier than me. Everyone is more interesting than me.
And then there are these days.
I want to film a vlog, but I don't have time. I don't want to set everything up. I set it better in the shower this morning anyway.
Ugh. I watch a lot of YouTube. More and more all the time. And it's getting to the point where I'm almost watching more YouTube than I am TV. And these kind of thoughts go through my mind on the daily when I'm watching it. But is that any excuse not to create? No! I've let it be in the past, but not anymore. Power through. Every time you have those defeating thoughts that make you want to give up, don't. Go ahead and do it anyway. Don't worry if it sucks right now. It won't always suck. And sometimes you have to get the suck out before you can get to the awesome. Just keep moving. Keep creating. As long as you keep moving, it will get better. You will get better. Last year I had this ridiculously long list of things that I wanted to do in 2012, and I did a few of them. But this year my resolution is simple. Just power through. Just do it. Keep moving. Keep creating. Keep going. Keep trying. Because if you do, it won't always be a struggle. And that is a happy thought. I hope you all ring in the new year happily and safely, and I hope you continue to be safe and happy in the coming months. 2013 is going to be a great journey, and I hope you continue on it with me. Bye, guys. See you next time. Oh. Makeup in the contact.